संबलपुर आईआईएम नुआ कैंपस भित्तिप्रस्तर स्थापन कार्यक्रम आरंभ हो जाई सारी वर्तमान समय एथिरे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी विजुअल जरिए सामिल हेबे वर्चुअली तेबे धर्मेंद्र प्रधान वर्तमान समय केंद्र मंत्री निजर प्रतिक्रिया रखुचंती कोन कहउचंती से सुनंतु।
टेक्नोलोजी माध्यम रे किछि समय पर जी जोड़ी हेबे अन्यतम अतिथि आदरणीय ओडिशा मुख्यमंत्री नवीन पटनायक महाशय, केंद्र मंत्री सम्माननीय प्रताप षडंगी महाशय, संबलपुर लोकसभा सदस्य आदरणीय नीतीश गंगदेव जी, संबलपुर लोकप्रिय विधायक आदरणीय जयनाल मिश्र महाशय, रेंगाली अंचल लोकप्रिय विधायक भाई नावरी नायक महाशय, आईआईएम संबलपुर बोर्ड रो अध्यक्षा देशर सुनामधन्य बैंकर आदरणीय अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य जी, आईआईएम संबलपुर रो निर्देशक प्रोफेसर महादेव जयसवाल महाशय, एठी उपस्थित थिबा समस्त फैकल्टी मेंबर, स्टूडेंट्स, सम्मानित नागरिक वृंद, मु आपण समस्त को सर्वप्रथमे आजिर कार्यक्रम रे स्वागत जनाऊँची। समस्त को 2021 शुभेच्छा जनाऊँची। मां समलेश्वरी आशीर्वाद, महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ आशीर्वाद ये अनुष्ठान प्रति गत 5 वर्ष है अच्छी। 5 वर्ष तले तत्कालीन अर्थमंत्री स्वर्गीय अरुण जेटली महाशय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी आदेश बल बजेट रे ओडिशा रे आईआईएम रो प्रतिष्ठा करिवार घोषणा करथिले। मु आज अवसर रे आउ गोटे ना नबा उचित मने करिवि। संबलपुर रो सुयोग्य संतान प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी आदरणीय डॉक्टर प्रमोद मिश्र व्यक्तिगत हस्तक्षेप बल ये अनुष्ठान संबलपुर रे गड़ा ही पारला। पाखापाखि 400 कोटी टंका व्यय ये अनुष्ठान महानदी कूल निश्चित रूपे विश्व अर्थनीतिर गोटे हॉटस्पॉट हम। मुझे बड़ दायित्व संपन्न सहकारे विगत 5 वर्षर आईआईएम रो आदरणीय अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य आदरणीय जयसवाल महाशय जो प्रचेष्टा अच्छी ताकू देखिकी मु कहूची ये केवल ओडिशार नुहे, भारत वर्षर नुहे, पृथ्वीर अन्यतम इकोनॉमिक हॉटस्पॉट आईआईएम स्थापित हो पारिछि। मोर पूरा विश्वास आगामी दिन रे आईआईएम पूर्णांग होइकी आज जो शिलान्यास करा जिवो इंस्टीट्यूशन तो आरंभ हो गलानी, किंतु आज जो शिलान्यास एठी होउची खूब शीघ्र आम समस्ते पुणी एकाठी हेबा, प्रधानमंत्री को प्रत्यक्ष निमंत्रण करबा, प्रत्यक्ष आसिकी याकू समाज पाई समर्पित करबा पाई से दिन शीघ्र भी आसीबो। फ्रेंड्स, टुडे इज ए हिस्टोरिक डे फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. How do I visualize this institution? What is the potential of this institution? What is the natural advantage of this locality? When Prime Minister has envisioned India will be self-reliant, we all have to be vocal for our local product. How can we correlate this great philosophy with this IIM? This area, this locality, this western part of Odisha, with the blessings of Ma Samaleshwari, Lord Jagannath, is rich in so many areas. Whether it is agri-produce, whether it is handloom, world-class handloom, the Sambalpuri Ikat is a global brand today. Now in the 21st century, in the global market, in the 5G regime, how can this IIM Sambalpur is going to give us a new entrepreneurial mode, the chili of Kuchinda, red chili of Kuchinda, the rice, this area is the rice bowl of the eastern India. Now Prime Minister Modi has planned to have Urja Kheti, energy farming. How can we link the ethanol production on this area? I am fortunate my ministry is initiated an ambitious project in the neighboring Bargarh district. We are going to produce ethanol from the rice straw. From rice, now Government of India has given permission for ethanol, compressed biogas. This area is rich in artistic hands. I don't want to again repeat the issue of ikat textile of this area. Not only all these things, this area is rich in minerals. You name coal, you name manganese, you name bauxite, you name iron ore. This part of India is rich in minerals. This area, this IIM Sambalpur is surrounded with lot of economic activities in power generation, in mining, in aluminium production, in steel production. Prime Minister Modi dedicated a state-of-art airport in neighboring Jharsuguda districts, starting from Rourkela to Kalahandi. In this ecosystem, let this institution flourish and create a new economic model. And I am confident the kind of faculties are there, the kind of bright students are coming from the different part of country to this point. I am confident the new economy model will come from this institution. I am happy able hands are managing this institution. Government of Odisha is cooperating, all kind of cooperation to build up this institution. I am personally thankful to Education Ministry, my senior colleague Sri Dr. Nisang. He personally and the entire team of his ministry are dedicated to upgrade this institution to a global level. I wish all the waste thing, this should be the point of Atmanirbhar Bharat. When Prime Minister Modi has envisioned the new education policy, he has directed us, he has given direction. According to my understanding, is one area. After colonial model of education system, our education system only give us certificates, knowledge, somehow some self misplaced pride. Employability is not given importance. But as a higher study center, as a center of excellence, how can we implement the new education policy spirit? Knowledge plus employability. Let this institution should work in that direction. I am again happy you all have invited me. This is a very near area for me, near zone for me, Arundhati ji. Personally, I would have been happy to be there. But today is the death anniversary of Odisha's legendary personality, Dr. Hare Krishna Mahtab. On his death anniversary, all the freedom fighters of the country are coming to Bhubaneswar since last few years. I have to be there at Bhubaneswar after this program. So I am sorry I could not personally come. I would have been happy to be there. Again, I am giving my all good wishes to this institution on this occasion. Thank you, friends. Bande Utkala Janani. Jai Ma Samleshwari.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, and we do understand the situational issues sometimes. With this, I request our Honorable Minister of Education, Government of India,